Christine Hoschild with Royal LePage Team Realty, and today we are at 1122B Klondike Road in Morgan's Grant. Now this is a beautiful condominium building. We have a 2-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it is on the upper level. So it's really beautiful, huge windows. It is an end unit as well. But most of all, we are located in a wonderful spot. We're just close to Klondike and March Road, which is surrounded by all the transit and shopping and all the high-tech area. Let's go inside and let's take a tour. So the layout of this condo is really quite unique. It's very open concept, very user-friendly, and take a look at the vast amount of space in this kitchen. So if you're entertaining, or there's a couple of you and you're having your eating area and your living area, it's very, very connected. There's also a spot here for a table and chairs and a balcony beyond. And just off this hallway is a large closet, perfect for all your winter coats, and a 2-piece powder room. In addition, as you walk through this space, you're going to notice just how much light there is. So because this is an end unit, you've got this massive window to one side, which most of the units don't have. And then you've got the beautiful windows at the front. So tons of space here for all of your furniture. So coming up from the lower level, you can see a nice sized upper hall. There's also a linen closet just off the top of the stairs, and then into one of the 2 bedrooms. Now this is a great size, huge wall of cabinets, and we have a full ensuite bathroom. Midway through the hallway is this great utility space. So it has a stacked washer and dryer, the furnace, hot water on demand, and an HRV, and of course, additional storage. And at the front of this condo, you're going to see 2 huge windows and the larger of the 2 bedrooms. So this is a really nice space, and of course, you've got a whole wall of closets and an additional nook area here for furniture. Now you also have a full ensuite bath, and this one has a beautiful custom shower. And off of the kitchen eating area is this great sized upper balcony. So it is covered, so you absolutely can sit out here in inclement weather and you can look out below. Now, something really great about this particular unit is it comes with 2 parking spots, which is not very common. So you have unit 48 and you have 55. So it's really close and very handy. But what you also have is, again, how close proximity this is to all the shopping. There's a Shoppers Drug Mart just around the corner. There are some food spots which are fabulous. There's also Sobeys across the street, a liquor store, again, another drugstore. So everything you need, plus transit, and of course, well, you're just steps away from the high-tech area. So if you would like this condo to be yours, please give us a call. We'd love to take you on a private tour.